Sairam students, welcome back to our next session. 11th lesson, Inherited Talent. Practice can make most people really good at most things, but talent are required for truly exceptional levels of performance. When the topic of talent comes up, the assumption is that it is inherited from our parents and other ancestors. In this lesson, we will see some examples of it. Let's start. Name the gifted children of these talented parents. On the left hand side, father or mother name is given, and on the right hand side, name of the child has to be written. First, Jatin Das, he is a painter, conferred Padma Bhushan by Government of India in January 2012. His daughter Nandita Das, she is an actress. She has acted in over 40 feature films in 10 different languages. Second, Kaifi Azmi, he was a Urdu poet. He was presented with the prestigious Millennium Award by the Delhi government and the Urdu Academy of India. His daughter named Shaban Azmi, she is an actress. She has received the National Film Award for Best Actress 5 times and several international honors. In addition, she is a social and women's rights activist. Third, Mallika Sarabhai. Mallika Sarabhai is an activist and Indian classical dancer and actress from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. She honored Padma Bhushan. Revant Sarabhai. He is an Indian film and theatre actor, dancer, and choreographer. He is known for being one of the few male Bharatanatyam soloists of his generation. Sunil Gavaskar. He is a cricketer. He was the first person to score centuries in both innings of a test match 3 times. He was the first test batsman to score 10,000 test runs in a career. Rohan Gavaskar. He played in 11 one-day internationals. Fifth, Ustad Allah Rakha. He was a tabla player. Popularly known as Allah Rakha, was an Indian tabla player who specialized in Hindustani classical music. Zakir Hussain. He is also tabla player. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1988 and the Padma Bhushan in 2002. In 1999, he was awarded the United States National Endowment for the Arts National Heritage Fellowship, the highest award given to traditional artists and musicians. Sixth, Dr. V.C. Pace. He is a hockey player. He is a former Indian hockey midfielder and representing the Indian team in the 1972 Munich Olympics that won the bronze medal. Leander Pace, he is a tennis player. He has won 8 doubles and 10 mixed doubles Grand Slam titles. He holds the record for the most doubles wins in the Davis Cup. 7th, Chaudhary Charan Singh, politician. He served as the 5th Prime Minister of India between 28 July 1979 and 14 January 1980. Ajit Singh, he is also politician. 8. Dhyan Chand, hockey player. He was known for his extraordinary goal-scoring feats. He won 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. His son Ashok Kumar, hockey player. Kumar was known for his exceptional skills and ball control. He was a member of the Indian team that won the 1975 World Cup. 9th, Vijay Manjrekar, cricketer. He played 55 tests. He was a fine cutter and hooker of the ball. Sanjay Manjrekar, cricketer. He is an Indian cricket commentator and former cricketer. He played international cricket for India from 1987 until 1996 as a right-handed middle-order batsman. 10. Pandit Ravi Shankar, sitarist. He was an Indian musician and a composer of Hindustani classical music. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1999. Anushka Shankar, sitarist, Woman of the Year awarded on International Women's Day 2003 in India. 11. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics, both before and after independence. Children knew him as better as Chacha Nehru. In India, his birthday is celebrated as Bal Divas, means Children's Day. Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister, she was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. In 1999, Indira Gandhi was named Woman of the Millennium in an online poll organized by the BBC. Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister, son Rajiv Gandhi, Prime Minister, who served as the sixth Prime Minister of India from 1984 to 1989. He was the youngest Indian Prime Minister at the age of 40. 13. S.D. Burman, music director and singer. Sachin Dev Burman composed music for over 100 movies, including Hindi and Bengali films. 2007, a postage stamp, face value ₹15, released in his memory. R.D. Burman, music director, nicknamed Pancham, who composed musical scores for 331 films. 14. Ramanathan Krishnan, tennis player. He is a retired tennis player from India who was among the world's leading players in the 1950s and 1960s. Krishnan received the Arjun Award in 1961, the Padma Shri in 1962 and the Padma Bhushan in 1967. Ramesh Krishnan, tennis player. He is a tennis coach. He won the singles titles at both Wimbledon and the French Open. 15th, Milkha Singh, athlete. He also known as the Flying Sikh, was an Indian former track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. He won a gold medal in the 400-meter competition at the 1958 British Empire and Commonwealth Games with a time of 46.6 seconds. Jeev Milkha Singh, golf player. He is an Indian professional golfer who became the first player from India to join the European Tour in 1998. He was the first Indian golfer to break into the top 100 of the official world golf ranking in October 2006. Do you know, students, Deepa Mehta's film Earth is based on the novel Ice Candy Man. Earth movie was submitted by India as its official entry for the Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film. Students were completed 11th lesson Inherited Talent. Now it's fun quiz time. You have to identify a celebrity with the help of given clues. First clue is she is an Indian playback singer and music director. She also known as Queen of Melody, Voice of the Nation, Voice of the Millennium, Nightingale of India. She is a daughter of Pandit Dinanath Mangeshkar, who was a classical singer and theatre actor. Who is she? Yes, you are correct. She is Lata Mangeshkar. Students, we have completed 11th lesson Inherited Talent. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.